Hi, and welcome to p2p lendingtips.com. If you want to maximize your peer-to-peer returns and be an expert peer-to-peer investor, you've got to know how to use the Autobid feature. It's as simple as that. Watch this video. Hi, so you're a peer-to-peer investor, you want to maximize your returns, you've got to know how to use the Autobid feature. So let's show you. Step one, you need to make sure that the Autobid feature is enabled, because most times the default setting will be for it to be off. So you've got to actually actively enable it. Very simple, but it's the first step you need to do. The second vital step is to set how much percentage of your money will be lent to any one loan. Now, for a fully diversified portfolio, you want to maximize it at 1%. So that means only 1% of your total is lent to one business. So that's spreading your risk because of the default rates that will occur. Personally, I actually go to 0.5%, which is one of the features I like on Funding Circle, but that's a personal choice, but no more than 1%. That's the limit. Okay. Now, there are basically two approaches to the Autobid feature, and they are opposite. We call it the blanket approach or the targeted approach. Now, the blanket approach is exactly that. It's a purely by the numbers game. You're not restricting anything. You're lending to all types of business. You're lending to different risk bands, different areas, and all you're doing is crunching the numbers, looking at the interest rate you can get, minusing the default rate, minusing the platform fee. That will give you the return you want. It's the blanket approach. Now, the opposite of that is the targeted approach. Now, be careful. If you know things that general public doesn't, so say you've been in the hotel business for 20 years, or you've been in the agricultural business, great. You can make informed decisions that other investors may not be able to make. And that's what we mean by the targeted approach. But do be careful, because, unless you really know your stuff, I would be very, very cautious with it. But as with everything, test it, see how it works for you. But the targeted approach is when you select by area, industry, for example, IT, agriculture, hotel, retail, whatever the industry that you know something about, and you choose your loans like that. Now, for the bigger loans, if you're making larger investments, research is necessary. But if you're lending $25 to 100 companies, the blanket approach is most likely for you. So the final thing you need to do is you need to choose your risk bands that you want to invest in, risk band A, B, C, D, E, for example, and you need to set the rates that you want. Of course, the higher the risk, the higher the interest rate, the lower the risk, the lower the interest rate. And the very final step that you need to do, as always we say at p2p-lendingtips.com, be proactive. Set your Autobid features how you want. Test it. See the returns you're getting after 1 month or 2 months. Analyze those returns. If you're happy, fine. If you think it needs tweaking slightly, then that's what you need to do. So the final step is to set, test, and analyze. So there we go. The key for using the Autobid feature for your maximum P2P advantage. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. Now, please do go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And for lots more information, go to p2p-lendingtips.com. Thank you.